So, hi guys, it's Rosefer and welcome to the vlog. So, we are here at our backyard guys, and then nandun ang ating motorcycle. So, it's almost a year then guys since we acquired this motorcycle, and then within that time span, we do some upgrades and bought some accessories. And then for today's video guys, I will share to you what are those upgrades if in case na meron kayong new RUSI Classic or meron kayong classic motorcycle. Meron na kayong idea what are the possible upgrades that you will do. And then this upgrades guys is just budget friendly, and then you can buy this stuff from Lazada, Shopee, or any classic parts store. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So the first major upgrades guys that we do is we modified the stock muffler. So here it guys, and then the cost for it is only 1,000 pesos. The second upgrade that we do is we bought a new 310mm shock. It's only 1,900 from Shopee. So the third upgrades guys that we do is we have a low-rise handlebar conversion. Only cost 1,500 including its riser. So in connection guys, I also bought a new handle grip. So guys, since we converted our handlebar from clip-on to low-rise, so we also bought this side mirror, classic side mirror, for only 500 pesos. And then this cell phone holder for only 120. It can be rotated 360 degrees. And then that's all for the handlebar guys. We bought this tank pad or tank grip for only 250 pesos from Shopee, and this Ducati emblem. And since mainit ang ating makina guys, and then ang ating elbow din, so we bought this thermal wrap for only 250 pesos from a classic shop. So all in all guys, it only costs 5,770. And then baka magtanong kayo guys, bakit walang internal upgrades? It is because the motorcycle is working well in stock parts, so we must utilize it before we change the one of it. Okay, so I hope you've learned from it, and thank you. So hi guys, this is the second part of the vlog which we will test its performance. So we will have a ride, and then we'll discuss then about its issues and some experiences na na-encounter ko for using this motorcycle. First of all guys, being a RUSI owner is not simple, since you will be encountering a lot of discrimination and stereotypes. Like in Bisaya pa, gubaon ba na, barato raman na, uy, dili na kabutoy sa katuig, madaot na na. So those are just an example guys, example of harsh words that you will be receiving from those irate people. So for me guys, hinahayaan ko na lang sila, which is the best thing to do. And then I'm proud naman na meron akong RUSI Classic 250. Hindi kagaya ng iba na nagkikipagsapalaran pa para mag-commute. So if like meron kang motorcycle dyan, regardless if it's China bike or hindi, regardless if it's mamahalin or cheap, the thing that you must do is just you must be proud of it, since it is a big blessing that you have a motorcycle. So So let's back to the discussion, guys. These are the 5 major issues that I've encountered while using this motorcycle. So first of all, guys, ang shock niya sang gahiya jud niya. So when the time na meron na tayong budget, I bought a new one which is better from the stock. The second issue is the clip-on handlebar, which is not good for a long ride. And then the third one is the weight, which is 135 kilogram, which is not suitable for my height and weight. The fourth one is the headlight, which is not bright enough for evening ride. So recommendable na mag-change kayo ng headlight if you have this kind of motorcycle. And then the last one is medyo makonsumo sa gas since it is a carburetor type. So you must be ready na it will consume gas more. Okay, so the rest is all good and working well. So nakita nyo yun, guys, it's Yamaha MT03, guys, and nakita nyo rin sa video I was amazed. And then it's a lady rider, so shout out sa lady rider na naka naked bike. So I was amazed, and then it's one of the best experiences na meron akong nadaanan na ganong motor. So that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot, and then don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and then support local ta, guys. Subscribe na mo, guys, manoy mo atik lang. So subscribe na bitaw mo, guys. So see you again on my next vlog, guys. Bye bye.